Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to resize here in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Resizing in Adobe Express can apply to your entire project or canvas or individual design elements. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to click the project or the design that you want and you want to resize, or if you want to resize the individual design elements inside of it. If you haven't already, just go to the template section wherein you can browse thousands of amazing designs that you can resize later. But if you want to upload your own content and resize it later, just click this button. Okay, so I'm focusing with this specific design right here. And I want to resize one of the elements. For example, this logo that I have created. All I have to do for you to be able to resize is just drag the crop factor here. You see this crop? You can resize it to make it bigger or to make it smaller, right? It's up to you. Now, if you want to resize this, for example, if you add a video, going to the media right here, going to add, say, for example, this video. If you want to resize, you can also do that by using the crop factor. And of course, you can just place it accordingly in this within the canvas. And if you want to resize a specific text, for example, this, you add a text. And you seem like it's a little bit small. You can simply go to the, you see this option right here. We're going to change the font color so you guys can see it for now. Make it white, and then the outline is going to be like a black, so it's a lot easier. We're going to increase the thickness right here, right? Now, as you can see, just go here at the font style, and then you can decrease the font size for as long as you want. You can put in the values right here, right? You can decrease it all the ways or increase it as well, right? So you have that option. Or you can simply use the following method earlier by clicking this crop factor here, and of course you can resize it for as long as you want. It's very easy. Now, if you want to resize the whole canvas or the whole project, all you're going to do is click this button right here that says resize. You have now the option to choose from any of the following sizes here: Instagram square post, flyer, TikTok video, and of course the values are here. It's, for example, the Instagram square post is 1080 by 1080. All right. Basically, the canvas that we are using right now is 1920 by 1080. It's a custom size. If you want to revert it to the TikTok video, 1080 to 1920, you can simply click that and click the option here. You can have the duplicate and resize and resize. We're going to choose the first one, which is going to be duplicate and resize. Well, what happens will be forwarded with these two options. This is the original. All right. This is the second one. Let's say resize. Resize. Now, once you are happy with this, you might want to go to the download section, download the resized project that you have by clicking this download option right here. Okay, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.